looking for a cool pickup, take a look at this. 1948 Chevrolet Street Rod. Absolutely beautiful truck. Check out the chrome on this, bright work. Custom wheels it's riding on. Very, very neat truck. Nicely equipped too. 350 underneath the hood. That's paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission. Should get an automatic with overdrive. It does have power steering, power brakes. AC has been added to this. Custom interior. Serpentine belt system underneath the hood also. Very, very cool truck. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see that engine bay and check out the underside of the truck, interior, check out all the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Look at that paint. Very, very nice luster to it. That chrome and bright work up front. Looks great on this truck. As you can see, one-piece window has been installed in there. The 48s would have had the two-piece and that seam down the center. Kind of a little cool custom touch there. Feel free to give us a call too if you got any questions on this truck. Number we can be reached at is 507-386-1726. So nice and tidy the interior is in this also. A little custom headliner with the Chevy bow tie. Bed's in nice shape. There's a fuel cell. As hot as trucks have been lately, I don't expect this one to stick around too long, especially in a 48. So once again, check out those still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. Out the rear view of this car. Very nice looking back here too. We'll get around to the driver's side here. Start it up so you can hear it run. I'll pop the hood for you too, give you a little idea what that engine bay looks like and see how well this is put together. Let's go ahead and check out this interior. So kind of a split bench it looks like with the armrest is how I'd describe that. Cloth with the vinyl or leather inlays in the seat. Aftermarket gauges. Custom door card. Very cool build. Let's go ahead and fire this up. See how easily it starts. Nice and runs. Backlit gauges. There's your AC controls. Automatic shifter on the floor. Nice little rumble out of that. Nicely the door closes. Truck sounds great. Listen to that. Again, check out any of those still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. Or like I said, you can give us a call 507-386-1726. I'm going to pause this quick, open that hood just to get an idea of what it looks like underneath there. Alright, there's the engine bay. See a serpentine belt system. Like I said, power brakes, power steering, AC, MSD ignition. 350 underneath here, paired up with that 700 R4 automatic transmission. There you have it, 1949 Chevrolet Street Rod pickup. Excuse me, I said 49. 1948 Chevrolet Street Rod pickup. I said it right here earlier too. Give us a call, 507-386-1726 or uniqueclassiccars.com.